Hi guys! In today's video, I will be unboxing, or should I say, unbagging, and planting organic heirloom stew pies tomato seeds. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got them on Amazon. Anyways, just to make things clear, I am a beginner gardener, okay? This is my first time planting tomatoes, and I've only ever planted bell peppers, which I guess didn't go that bad, but I only got 2 fruits. And I was only able to eat 1. Not the worst outcome. But if you guys would like to see updates and how my tomato journey goes, please subscribe, press the notification button, and like this video. Hope you enjoy! So I will be using the Organic Seed Starter Premium Potting Mix for organic gardening. On the bag, there are also seed starting tips. One of the tips is to thoroughly wash your containers to avoid bacteria or disease. I was originally going to use these 3 cups to plant my seeds, but now I'm only going to use 2, and I'm going to actually see what happens. I don't know if it's going to do any difference, but I'm going to try planting one in this one. And then it says you have to cover them with plastic till they germinate, so that's why there's that cap right there. Easier for me. Maybe there'll be a difference, maybe there won't, I don't know. Oh gosh, okay. That was a success. Hopefully this does not hurt my plant because the sharp edges. If it does, it's my fault. Good enough drainage for me. So there you have it, my containers. I'm probably gonna give them one more wash because they probably got dirty again. It says to use gloves, so I got gloves. They're kind of big though. Okay guys, so I think That is wet enough. I think that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. I'm gonna cover those with plastic wrap. Now I'm just gonna place these in my garage where it's dark and warm. And now I'm just gonna wait for them to germinate. Bye!